How to fix address not found, your message wasn't delivered to Gmail account problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. In here, click on Send. After you've clicked on Send, click on the Gmail you're having problem with and make sure if you have right email sent to. To check, you can press on Compose at the bottom right corner of your screen and add the same subject Compose email and make sure the person you're sending to email is correct. Then press on Send and you're good to go. Make sure you double check everything. And this is how to fix address not found, your message wasn't delivered to Gmail problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.